Today learning about equivalent fractions. What is meant by equivalent fractions? An equivalent fraction a by b is found by multiplying the numerator and denominator by a common integer n. Are you understood? So let us solve one problem. Write at least 5 equal fractions of the following. In the first bit is 2 by 3. That is 2 upon 3. We read like as 2 upon 3. Solve this one. 2 upon 3. We take integer and multiplying numerator and denominator by a common integer, that is 2. 2 into 2 upon 3 into 2. What we get? 2 to the 4, 3 to the 6. And we take another integer multiplying numerator and denominator by 3. 2 into 3, 6. 3 into 3, 9. We get 6 by 9. That means 6 upon 9. And we take another integer and multiplying numerator and denominator by 4. So 2 into 4, 8 upon 3 into 4, 12. And next we take another integer, that is 5, multiplying numerator and denominator by 5. 2 into 5, 10 upon 3 into 5, 15. And next same like this we take another integer 6. 2 into 6, 12, and 3 into 6, 18. So we get 5 equivalent fractions. What are they? 4 by 6, 6 by 9, 8 by 12, 10 by 15, 12 by 18. We read like this: 4 upon 6, 6 upon 9, 8 upon 12, 10 upon 15, 12 upon 18. Okay, it is correct or not? We recheck it out. That is 2 2s are 4 and we get cancelled. 2 2s are and 2 3s are. What we get? 2 by 3. And same is like this also. 3 2s are, 3 3s are. We get 2 by 3. And here 4 2s are, 4 3s are. We get 2 by 3. So same like this. We get fraction 2 by 3. So this is correct one. Are you understood? Students, let us solve second problem, 4 by 5. Write down some integers multiplying numerator and denominator by integers, that is 4 by 5. That is 4 upon 5. So 4 into 2 by 5 into 2. You multiplying with the same integer by numerator and denominator. So we take another integer multiplying numerator and denominator by this fraction, that is 4 into 3 by 5 into 3. Again we take another integer 4 into 4 by 5 into 4, 4 into 5 by 5 into 5, and 4 into 6 by 5 into 6. What we get? 4 to the 8, 5 to the 10, 8 by 10. Here 4 3 is 12, 5 3 is 15, 12 by 15. 4 4 is 16 and 5 4 is 20, 16 upon 20. 4 5 is 20, 5 5 is 25, 20 upon 25. 4 6 is 24 and 5 6 is 30, 24 upon 30. It is correct or not? We recheck it out. Here 2 4s are and 2 5s are. We get 4 by 5. And 3 4s are, 3 5s are. What do we get? 4 by 5. 4 4s are. We get 4. 4 5s are 20. So what we get? 4 by 5. Same like this also. Are you understood? And next question. The odd bit only 4. Okay, so we take this integer, this fraction like this, 4 upon 1. Okay, multiply numerator and the denominator with the same integer. Okay, and 4 into 4 by 1 into 4, and 4 into 5 by 1 into 5, and 4 into 6 by 1 into 6. What we get? 4. That is 4 to the 8, 2 1 2. Here we get cancel 2 1 to 2 4, 2 4 8. So what we get? 4. It is correct. 4 3 is 12 and 3 1 is 3. 4 4 is 16 and 4 1 is 4. 4 5 is 20 and 1 5 is 5. 4 6 is 24 and 1 6 is 6. Okay. Using division, 2 4 is 3 4 is 4 4 is 5 4 is 6 4 is. What will get? 4. So it is correct. And check it out. Fourth one, minus 4 by 6. This is also same procedure, students. Minus 4 by 6, that is minus 4 into 2 by 6 into 2. We multiply with integer numerator and denominator, same integer we can use. That is minus 4 into 3 by 6 into 3 is equal minus 4 into 4 by 6 into 4, and minus 4 into 5 by 6 into 5, and minus 4 into 6 by 6 into 6. So here 2 2 cancel, 3 3 cancel, 4 4 cancel, 5 5 cancel, 6 6 cancel. What will get? 4 by 6. Anyway, you multiply and write down this one. So minus 4 into 2 minus 8 into 6 2 is 12. And this one minus 4 into 3 minus 12, 6 3 is 18. And minus 4 into 4 minus 16, 6 4 is 24. And minus 4 into 5, that is minus 20, that is 6 into 5 30. And minus 4 into 6 minus 24, that is 36. We get the answer. Okay. These are the required equivalent fractions of minus 4 by 6. That is minus 8 by 12, minus 12 by 18, minus 16 by 24, minus 20 by 30, minus 24 by 36. Now you try to cancel it one. 2 4 is 2 6, minus 4 by 6. Here 3 4 is 3 6, minus 4 by 6 we get. 4 4 is and 4 6, minus 4 by 6. Same like this one. Can you understand? And next problem. Students, here again in the fifth question is 1. So write down the equivalent of 5 fractions of 1. Now write down 1, that is 1 by, that means 1 into or 1 into 2 by, again we take here 1 into 2, and 1 into 3 by 1 into 3, 1 into 4 by 1 into 4, here 1 into 5 by 1 into 5, and 1 into 6 by 1 into 6. Okay, what we get? 2 by 2, 3 by 3, 4 by 4, 5 by 5, 6 by 6. 2 by 2 cancel, we get 1. 3 by 3 cancel, we get 1. 4 by 4 cancel, we get 1. And 5 by 5 also we get 1. And 6 by 6 cancel, we get 1. This is the equivalent fractions, required equivalent fractions of 1. Are you understood?